Nagajingmi ka Huri Hura hapadeng ki chat pendriu Khasi bat ki Karbi halapangap West Gentiles ka belajar kendai terik urisau jar pesan hakabau wayu briu ubana ka chat pendriu Karbi ula du no ila ka jingem nakaliang ba Prestone tensong sebut menteri rang ba ka jela bakmi ya ka tanat home ula pentep bana kaliang ka sorkar kala Pynjari da ka Curfew ha ka te ka Shillong haba pentep ikanish kilat patai kubor ka no phai singi ka kendai terik urisau jar pesan uba Prestone ula ong Paka Huri Hura kalami adian ke jingwan tur jong ke kenhuan ke jat pendiu Karbi kat bagi nong lapangap kinang pelong ye ke jingot ke ba. Na lor ke tau lo ong ru bana kaliang ke sorkar kala tau ru ke joint regional committee. Ake jingkmi jong ba senia balang dar usumbut menteri rang ba ke jela bani mir jingbut baka committee ke bana Assam halor ke ni ke kam.
The incident that has happened again in Lapangap is today in the afternoon. In fact, you know what happened was in the morning time, through the understanding of both the police force from Assam as well as from Meghalaya, they allowed the residents of Lapangat to go to the paddy field to collect those produces which is due. I should say it is overdue also. And they started the job. But unfortunately, after maybe 3 or 4 hours, again, a group of people from Karbi side, they came in to that place, and ultimately the fight happened. Though the police were there, but unfortunately, one of them succumbed to the disease, and that and the name of this fellow is Tamung or something. I don't get the detail, but it happened just because of the fight among themselves. So now, to make sure that things does not go out of control, government has decided to clamp the night curfew today, and curfew has been already clamped. And I came to know that even government of Assam has already clamped their curfew in that particular area, even from their side. So hopefully tonight we'll be able to control the situation. Well, the message is, in fact, because now the regional committee, joint regional committee has been constituted. From block 1, from the government side, we already made Sri Sngau Deputy CM, to look after this regional committee. And from the other side, again, I think one senior minister was also deputed to be the chairman of that regional committee. So we had a meeting with the chairman of the regional committee from this side. I suggested him that better you contact your counterpart, sit down, if need be, just go to the ground. Though the joint inspection is yet to take place, just go there and then make people understand. Because right now, this core issue happened just because of the boundary issue. It happens because this particular place is the area of the differences. They acted. That's what. If they were not there, both sides, I think bloodshed will happen more. They were there, very much were there. Not only from Assam police, but even from Meghalaya police. They were there. But you understand, because see, when you are there, it's a big area, because that is a paddy field. It's a big area. So they did not even expect that these people will come in, because initially everything was going smoothly. But suddenly it happened like that. So right now, as I said to you, my only appeal is from our own people this side, Lampangat side, better to be cool and calm. And as of now, respect the law, because curfew has been already clamped. They should not come out, and let the police force take whole control of that area. Not only from Meghalaya side, we already had a discussion with the other side, with the counterpart, be it in the level of Chief Secretary, be it in the level of DGP, and be it in the level of the SP and DC. So they are in touch, and I'm very sure we will be able to control this. We really wanted to again carry on with the inspection, joint inspection, but unfortunately, sometimes, when we requested from our side, from Assam, they are not free. And again, now I think Assam, they are fully busy with the preparation of their election because election will be held next year. So, these are the issues where ultimately we can't reach to the convenient time. Then ultimately, till today, we are not able to conduct the joint inspection as mandated by the joint office. As far as this issue is concerned, as I said, we kept it a priority. We are really concerned about it, and I told CM also. CM has already discussed with the honorable CM of Assam. So till now, we are yet to know what is the outcome. But as I said to you, I've already told even the chairman of the regional committee, sit down among yourselves, and if need be, you can go to the ground and go and appeal both sides that at least status quo is important as of today. Right now, nothing of that sort, because see, certain procedure is there. From our side also, we have to, ultimately we have to file FIR. Maybe from that side, I don't know. I'm not aware from Assam side whether they did that or not. But from our side, we have to, because the few police personnel also, they met some kind of injuries, but thank God at least not that much, not that serious. But they have these injuries, and even few villagers they met that injuries. So as I said, FIR has been also filed in the police station. We already clamped curfew in that area. Not only from Meghalaya side, from Assam side also they did clamp curfew. Because since once curfew is in place, then we are able to control the crowd. Suppose if they wanted to collect themselves in any place, but that is already prohibited.
What about the vigil in other areas, other disputed areas?
I think you should not just expect so much about the words. Don't expect like that. Always we wish that everything is cool, calm, be it in area. Otherwise we see, because right now we have another six area of differences. Okay, so I don't wish that this remaining 6 areas, which is yet to conduct the joint inspection, I wish that everything is is normal, and we need to respect both sides. We need to respect for the status quo.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya